to the Bumblebee. It is officially the birthday vlog, and today it is I guess, what is the date? It is 1 week ago, matlab it is 14th of July, I guess. So because my birthday comes on a Saturday, which is next Saturday, I wouldn't have any time to go to the salon and get my hair done, so we are doing it today. That is why the wet hair. And yeah, I'm gonna go get a haircut right now, and I'll keep you updated with all the birthday stuff, and this is going to be a fun vlog, I hope. So I'll see you at the haircut. Sorry, I'll see you after the haircut. And I hope you liked the last vlog. This vlog will, I hope, come on 20th July, which is one day after my birthday. It's my birthday! Let's go. Mr. DIY to grab a few things. Here is Mama Bear talking to Amu.
No.
Let's go. Appreciation for my hair. Getting these two nails. Oh, which little fit check. Nice fit, but I can't show my face. See. And I have lost my mother, so let's go find her. Hi mother. For me? We are getting these two. Yeah. Fairy lights, and I'm going to decorate the room, hall, mera pura ghar, whatever, with these fairy lights. That's the game plan for now. Let's see. I forgot to update you on the date. I guess it's Tuesday today, 15th of July. It's still about 4 days to my birthday, but I'm not going to get any other free day in this week, so we're out shopping early. And I'm very exhausted from today's work. So. 20. The things we got, and now I'm going to set up these lights. I don't know how, but I'm going to figure out right now. So I'm planning to run these throughout the living room, and like only these lights will be on, like a nice cozy setup. So let's see how far along this, how much meter mama kitty meter chahiye bola to 10 meters of lighting can go. I think it will cover this room at least, bare minimum. Let's hope for the best. I'm going to put this on time lapse now, so you can enjoy me putting on lights. So the lights go from here on top of the tube, uske piche, on top of that bulb, and over here. TV is supporting in the vibe right now, so shall we? I love that how it is not very dark, but it is so cozy. Good job, Bhakti, good job. See, this is going to be the place where I'm going to cut my cake. I hope the lighting is good. I'll check this video and I'll find out. But yeah, it looks very pretty. This is the look for the rest. She's still reading. And here guys, 18th of July. Oh, so छानच दिसते. It's one day before my birthday and it's her birthday today. क्या है?
A small day.
It's full of our memories. birthday today. It's her birthday. 18 July and 19 July.
ये मेरे को टाइम लेके पढ़ना पड़ेगा.
Also going to come tomorrow, so we will see Neelam tomorrow. We'll see Neelam tomorrow also. ते लिहिलेला महत्वाचं आहे, कुठून घेतली. That's how you eat a थाली. क्या है? हाँ, सब कुछ भरा है. देखो, इसको देखो जरा.
स्लोली खत्म होगा.
कितना स्लोली स्लोली.
किती झालं?
माहित नाही. 8:30. 2:30 बजे तक हो जाएगा क्या मैडम आपका? बरं, आय वुड लाईक टू बिलीव्ह दॅट. हो
टाकणार आहे?
हो. गिर ना. नाही तो बंदी. गाइस वी टूक एक्स्ट्रा स्वीट्स. ये चमचा. ओके बाय.
You need to tell them. Wow.
You didn't say hi to the vlog.
Oh hi.
Hi guys, it's Neelam's birthday. How do you feel?
She
Happy
bought
birthday.
me flowers.
No man could ever.
Till now, huh? Till now. Food? Top on.
So we'll see you tomorrow, Neelam. Shall we?
Oh yeah.
Tomorrow is 19th of July.
मेरे बर्थडे से ज्यादा नहीं. I was excited for her, not mine.
ये हर साल की स्टोरी है. Never mind.
You still look pretty. I don't look pretty.
Shut up. Back home, I'm in my new pajama set, and I have someone who is here to help me. Ta-dam ta. Hi, Monu is here. Thank you. Hi. Thank you guys. One a.m. right now, 19th of July. 20 letters from this Tina from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. She wrote me 20 letters. I read all 20 of them right now.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
It's my birthday. It's the morning, and we are in Mandir, going to Mandir now. This is the look. Let's go. We are at the temple. Favorite city. That's mother talking to Ikshwari uncle. मेरा अभी तक गुड मॉर्निंग हुआ नहीं, वैसे मतलब आँख खुल नहीं रहे. Hi mama.
Hi.
We reached. Let's go.
It's early in the morning.
Very. My eyes are not even open yet. I feel mentally not good morning. But I look very pretty.
Yeah, as always.
So we came out. No photos are allowed inside. But the darshan is very peaceful. My mind is very at peace right now. I can't yell and talk. So beautiful here. We took really good pictures and we're really happy. It's too sunny right now. But this is the view. And a picnic here now. Birthday lunch, dal bhat, my most favorite thing in the world, with bhendi bhaji and pav bhaji that Munu got, and chutney. Satvik bhojan. And mama, and my mama, very hardworking. She's very hardly working for the party. Yes, Mama? Show your face. He's very tired now. नाही फक्त रेड रोजेसचा द्या ना. हां.
Buying her own bouquet.
We want specifically red roses. He's like थोड़ा पर्पल डालूं क्या उसमें? मैंने बोला नहीं, ये बबल बी. I am Bumble Bee. Subscribe to the Bumble Bee. साथी रहा in everything. दिखाओ ना. Guys, we've got the bouquet, and he also gave me a little flower because I told that uncle because it's my birthday. Hee hee.
We shifted the bed.
We shifted the bed to the corner, and it has very graciously started raining. So now we have to dry clothes inside. This is Honey, and she's just troubling him. Now we have to create glasses ka tower.
And create that.
So much effort. Then we have to make a table where we'll put like wafers and drinks and like gifts and stuff like that. And yeah, this is the birthday girl ka avatar. This is how birthday girl looks right now. Dark circles ऐसे फुट के बाहर निकल रहे हैं, but okay. I got myself the bouquet. It's so pretty. I showed it, no? Yeah. Oops. But it looks cute, है ना? It looks cute, no?
Yeah. It's very cozy.
Yeah, I can sleep there right now. Okay, we'll make the tower now. So glasses ka tower is made by Mrunal Bhosle. Clap for yourself. And now we are going to put the showstopper on the bed. Would you do the honors?
No.
Alright? Please.
See.
He is going to sit in the center. Yay! This is our. इथे मध्ये वेफर्स ठेवायचे.
तू मध्ये वेफर्स ठेवणार आहे?
मग तुला हे मध्ये पाहिजे का?
म्हणजे तुला ergonomically
कॅन यू शिफ्ट इट असंच असं? पडलं तर परत लावशील ना. रिस्क बघितली का? नशीब काचेचे नाही आहेत. असते तर फक्त वरचा लेअर काढलास तरी चालेल. दिस बुके इज जस्ट स्टीलिंग द स्पॉटलाइट. वाव यार, लिव्हिंग रूम एकदम रिकामा झाला. एखादं फंक्शन व्हायला एवढा रिकामा झालाय. असं नको. सी चाफा बोले ना. 5:30 PM. The party starts at 7. मी काय सबटायटल्स देते का तुझे जे बोलतेस त्याचे. And my best friend and photographer for the day comes at 6. So I should start getting ready. What do you think?
Yeah.
I just straightened Mrunal's hair, but Mrunal's hair does not cooperate. Look at her hair.
They're too curly, wavy.
And look at my hair. I have straightened it, but it still looks the same. we'll start getting ready. That's the birthday dress right there. But I'm kind of tired. Oh, we didn't tell them the menu for today.
Just show them directly.
Yeah, we'll show you directly when we are eating dinner. The pearl earrings and a matching bow with a pearl on it, and my mother dress. But I showed him better. And we are twinning. Wait, yeah. See, we're twinning. Bata yellow. Oh, I'm also wearing the tiara. Can you show my look? Yeah. Not in this room, in that room. Yay! Look who's here for my 20th birthday.
Please laugh, fatafat.
Now.
Perfect way to start. Hi, Neelam.
Hi.
Welcome to the house.
The dukandar.
What's going on here? That's the birthday girl.
My fingers are sticking together. There.
It's 5 minutes to 7. The guests have started to come. And she's struggling. And we are enjoying.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhakti. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Bhakti. Happy birthday to you. How many years? Birthday. चिकन बिरयानी रायता गुलाब जामुन उधर है थोड़ा एंड केक हाय मनु नीलम तो वेज है ये देखो क्या भाजी चपाती खरी है और वेज बिरयानी so I'm changed into those and they look very pretty but yeah that's it. I am officially 20 now and Mrinal is tired and so am I. So now we're just gonna go sleep and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Morning.
Good morning.
It is the day after I turned 20.
Yeah.
How was yesterday?
Very good. You're happy?
Yeah. What did he have for dinner? Now this is day 2 of birthday celebration and we are going to go out with friends. Mrinal. So yeah, I will go take a bath right now.
Please.
Thank you. And I'll see you there. Morning after ka breakfast. Mama is having veg biryani and I am having cake. Backup outfit with my new shoes. Nah, this is not going to be the hair. I'm just tying it to on the way क्योंकि सब फड़ फड़ के उड़ जाएगा ना. But yeah, same earrings, they go well. It like it's cute. Huh?
Yeah.
Is it giving birthday girl? I am also carrying my tiara. So
Tia.
booth discuss. We are in Anna. We are waiting for a table to get Rikama. Kesarle. Sharwari.
That's the birthday girl. That's where the crown is. The crown, including the crown.
Varda, this is Gauri's outfit, guys.
And they have shown up with the cake. And that's Bhairavi.
काय?
My God.
पिठलं भाकरी. मग आपण आत्ताला काय आलोय? With lunch, brunch, evening snacks, सब कुछ एक साथ ही हो गया. अब हम जाएंगे टिंगर टवळा करने FC. How does it feel? मला पण कुठेतरी झोपायला जागा भेटली तर झोपून घेऊ.
AC room.
कुठं तर तुला AC मध्ये नेऊ. हो चल जाऊ.
Wow.
नो मला हे आवडलं. हे मागचं क्यूट आहे. हे पण क्यूट आहे. इट हॅज निधाल चेरी.
Nice logo कमी वाटतात.
This place is very good for kurtis.
I got kurtis from here.
है ना Sharwari, this place is very good for kurtis. You want one? Let's get you one. Let's get you one with your money.
मी आताच
मला अशी घ्यायची आहे. अशी halter neck. पे
या तो नहीं
बस गोल गोल घूम के आ गए गाइस जरा हळू चालेल काय एक तर ह्यांना ह्या तिघी स्पेसिफिकली दे आर इन द रश सिंड्रेलाज एक तर आय एम वेअरिंग न्यू शूज इट इज हर्टिंग मी हाय हाय वर्धा जिथे जागा दिसेल तिथे तू टेकवते
कारण सी दिस
सी व्हॉट आर वी वेअरिंग कोल्हापुरी
and see what I am wearing.
Nidal is offering you his Nike
What shoe size?
7 -7 ए 7च आहेत त्याचे पण हे बघ सेम आहे हे बघ
ऐसे पॉइंट्स में मिलता है क्या शूज
हाँ मेरा 7.5 है सी एवरीबडी इज वेयरिंग कंफर्टेबल शूज
You didn't bother to tell me.
अरे
Really? Can you stand? You can speak in Indian also. You want to know? Video got it. Indian is not sorry. Excuse me. It's not language. But there is
I'll speak in Indian.
But there is an English accent that's common to Americans and Indians also. मला मराठी येत नाही.
नाही दुसरा काहीतरी
Shut up.
Don't do that.
My accent is fixed.
I have a better accent than you, you know
Shut
that. You need to
तिला
shut it
तरी
up.
lashes ठेवले का
Zip it up.
Teeth is good. हो गया.
तुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तेरा चॉइस
नहीं इतना तो नहीं बट काफी.
वेट ना वेट योर
Come on.
डू दैट एंड लुक
आज सुबह 6 बजे तक I was entertaining my roommates. And like today morning, the people who were like living down the ground floor.
लेना इसका
They were like, what sound was coming from there?
स्ट्रगल
How many people were laughing?
नॉट अ
Like, can you guys please reduce the volume of your laughter?
What time is it when you shut down? Actually shut down.
6 in the morning.
बहुत जल्दी
Decrease made there.
Guys, आमचा पण फोटो काढायचा प्लीज.
Yes. Can you please
Sure.
hold it forever? Hey, dude.
I am back home say something
Enjoyed.
yes very that is it officially for the birthday series vlog whatever I will put
Now waiting for next.
no
Tomorrow
no,
onwards.
no more birthdays no more birthdays बस 20 साल बर्थडे कर लिए बस हो गया now
Now the grand celebration on 21st.
of what
21st.
no thank you that's it now we will rest and tomorrow we have to again start with routine so you want-
Stay tuned.
stay tuned for the next vlog and
Subscribe.
To-
Like
subscribe to
the Bubble Bee.
the Bubble Bee